Today, we're going to smoke a beef roast. First thing, to make an injection, we're going to use wine, broth, and Aud-ventures. Let's get started. We're going to dump in canned broth. 1/3 cup of Aud-ventures. Two cups of red wine.
Get it in there, don't spill it. Almost 2 cups of red wine, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay, we gotta wipe that up. Don't lick your fingers.
Now we're gonna put it in the fridge to cool down.
For this, there usually is a lot of fat. I don't think you need that much for smoking it. So I will trim some of the fat off.
Wait, you're filming a video? Yeah, you're filming a video?
Yeah.
Now?
In a second.
It's time for injection.
Gotta push it all the way in. Further, if you can, a little further. Alright, now inject it. Good. Uh-oh. You're not strong enough? Uh-oh.
Oh, too hard.
Go ahead, come on, bud. I think you're turning red. You want me to inject it? You're getting it! Hey! Are you worn out? Are you sure? You look tired after that one. Are you? Alright. Should I inject a couple of them? Or do you want to do the rest?
I'm gonna do the rest.
Alright. Good job.
Now it's time to put on the rub. Black pepper, celery salt, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, kosher salt, roast brown sugar. When we're going to cook it, we're going to put the fatty side down.
You gonna open up the smoker?
Yep. We put the fire there and we put the meat there. We use charcoal to start the fire. Then we put wood on. Yep. Then we fan it to get going.
You're on the verge of hurting yourself, maybe.
So, we're smoking with cherry wood. There's holes on the bottom of the smoker to get air. There's holes here for the wood to get air. The roast is on. Got a thermometer.
We got a what?
Thermometer in it.
A what?
A thermometer.
A thermometer is in it.
Yeah.
A little more. Keep going. Come on. All right.
We're checking the temperature, 137. Good.
Oh. When it's cut open, you can even see where you injected it, huh?
Yep.
Did you do a good job?
Yeah!
Nah, I don't think so. It was mostly dead. Is the roast good? Are you tired?
The roast is good, but it's making me cough and my eyes water.
The roast is making you cough and your eyes water? Why?
I don't know.
Ah. Did you have some clams too? Were they good? Did you eat almost all of them? You didn't really share with Dad, did you?
I like.
Yeah, Mom only got 2.
Mom only got 2. And I was like,
Do you like clams?
yeah.
Alright.